Yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Upsicrise Artwork Coalition. So it's all about hyper-realistic drawing and realistic ball pen drawing, as you will see in this channel or in this tutorial. So people ask me a question about how to achieve hyper-realism, ball pen drawing, and I said I'm going to do that in my next tutorial. And I said basically you have to understand some guide and some basic techniques, shading techniques before achieving hyper-realistic drawing like this, as you can see in this video. So if you are just seeing this video for the first time or seeing this channel for the first time, like, share this video and subscribe to my channel. I will be sharing more of this tutorial with you, so don't forget to subscribe. As I said, I'm a visual and realistic drawing, ball pen drawing artist. I'm from Nigeria, and I share behind the scene what it's all about. So I'll make it simple. So basically, if you see a realistic drawing like this, they achieve, or they are actually be drawn by basically two shading ball pen techniques. And first and foremost, what's the first one? Arching techniques. Arching techniques means to draw a vertical, which is consistent line. Do you understand? A vertical or horizontal consistent line with patience and time. It means that you can see in this drawing now, you can see in this video currently, you see this is actually a slant parallel line. Yes, it's going to be so, but a consistent line, as you can see. Do you understand? So I'm drawing it line by line, with less pair. As you can see, the final result of this first layer, which is Haji techniques, is that it brings a light tone. But you can see down beside it, we have shade, you see a dark tone. Though normally a darker tone, but a dark tone. So dark tone is achieved with what? With cross hatching. I will explain what cross hatching means. Cross hatching means to actually lay another layer with upon hatching. If hatching be the first layer or the foundation of view shading, as hatching a consistent line which is vertical or horizontal or a slant parallel line on the first layer, then cross hatching will now be, it can be in a diagonal direction, but it also be a consistent line as another layer you've already laid upon the hatching, which is the first layer. Do you understand? So let's see in this video. I'm using hatching techniques here so you can see and understand what I mean basically. So this video can be actually, let me see, it's a tutorial. Basically, I decided to make it, I'm trying to make out something good or something realistic, just basically a tutorial with, I can share with you intersecting life with hatching, cross hatching, with ball pen drawing. So you can also do it all. If this is the first time seeing this tutorial or seeing drawing on your YouTube, well, I would like to educate you about what art or realism or ball pen drawing is about. Art is not just about you painting acrylic or your paper, or you just seeing blue strokes on a paper, either ordinary paper or a artistic paper, but it's about reality. Art symbolize reality, it symbolize emotion, it symbolize our past, our history. Basically, all it can actually explain and explore all cultures with drawing basically. So this is just a tips. Basically, I'll be sharing in this video how basically, as artist, you are a beginner or you're trying to improvise your artwork, your ball pen drawings and shading. And basically, I will say you have to understand two guides which are actually shading techniques, which are hatching and cross hatching. As in this video, this is part one of this video. I will make another which will be more, I will explain more better, and it will be more what interesting and impartable basically. So let's see. So now I'm using cross hatching, and don't forget something. As you are shading with this ball pen, practice on your own after you watch this video till the end. Based on what you've learned, practice it, and the more you practice it upon it, you also make better. And one thing I will let you to know also is, don't forget to clean the tips of your pen. And also, if you are shading with ball pen, just like the pen I'm using, let me share the material I use for you. First and foremost, I use the ordinary paper. This is not much of a high quality paper. As you can see, this drawing is coming to life and something good and realistic, right? And you can say, this artist actually used something, let's say a good paper, but no, I actually use cardboard here. And what is the pen I use? I use one of my favorite ball pen I love so much. I think it's all over the world. You can get it at any store. which is Bic Crystal pen. That's the name of the pen. So when you want to shade using hatching and cross hatching to achieve upper realistic drawing or hatching or realistic drawing, I mean with ball pen, just like this, at least buy 2 or 3. So which you can use the new one, actually first one for hatching, then the second one for cross hatching, and the third one for adding more layers. Actually the first one, which is hatching, you can use it to achieve the light tone, and also the second one, that's how I use my drawing for, and the second one to use it for what, to achieve dark tone, and the third one can use it to achieve what, darker tone. So it will actually depends on with reference you are drawing, basically. I mean where you can apply dark tone, I mean light tone, and also darker tone. Do you understand? And also when you are achieving light tone, it will be with little prayer. I mean the prayer will not be like the dark tone or the darker tone. And when you are trying to realize or to achieve a dark tone, it will not be like the darker tone. Do you understand what I mean? So here I'm using cross hatching techniques to intersecting lines based on what I first lay the first layer with hatching. Then I also start with intersecting line with what, with cross hatching, as laying another layer upon what I've done to achieve a darker tone or a dark tone, basically. So let's keep watching in this video. So I will tell you something, how you can help yourself to learn more is by you subscribing to this channel, like this video, and if you found this video helpful, you should recommend this video on my channel to people, I mean your friends or people that are actually interested about drawing ball pen artists. And one thing I used to say is that consistency will make you more better. As long as you watch more of this video, you are more passionate about drawing, I mean it's kind of realistic, your passion, your desire is there, don't worry, you will learn all you need to know. And as long as you practice on your own, yeah, can you now see that this drawing, I mean you can see some are with light tone, I mean the light tone I achieve with hatching, and the dark tone, I mean you can see now I'm doing the dark tone, but behind it or before it you see darker tone. So I achieve it what, laying another line or another layer upon cross hatching. Do you understand this now? So basically I achieved this drawing to this stage with hatching and cross hatching techniques. So practice on your own. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like, as I expect to see you in my next video, as we'll be completing the part 2 of this tutorial. So I don't want it to be a longer video, do you understand? But I think this, to this extent, can you now see what I'm doing right now is I'm intersecting the line, I mean with cross hatching. Can you see one is dark tone and the other side is darker tone, one is light tone? Do you understand? But the important is the amount of layer you lay to your drawing will make it more what, you can see, let me explain something here. You can see something like, you can see lines basically, but as you lay another layer, it will now what, intersecting, and it make it more realistic. That's it. So at point you might feel tired, or you can see that I'm not making something real, but no, keep doing it. Do you understand? Keep doing it and laying your layer, and don't forget to clean the tips of your pen, not to ruin your artwork or drawing. So hope I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and share this video. Thank you. I love you so much.